Our topic is multiplication of algebraic expression. We must remember the law that the product of two numbers of like signs is positive and the product of two numbers of unlike signs is negative. So we have here our example number 1. We are asked to multiply x squared minus 3xy minus 2y squared by 2y cubed. We would have 2y cubed multiplied by x squared minus 3xy minus 2y squared. So what we are going to do here is to distribute this 2y cubed to all the terms of this expression here, and applying the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now, to distribute this for the first term, so that's 2y cubed multiplied by the first term, that's x squared. And for the second term, so that's positive times negative, so that's negative 2y cubed times x times 3xy. And we have here positive times negative, so that's negative 2y cubed times 2y squared. So this is equal to 2x squared y cubed minus 2 times 3, that's 6, and we have here x for y, that's 3 plus the exponent of 1 here, so that's y to the 4th. 2 times 2, so that's 4, add the exponent of y, that's 3 plus 2, so that's y to the 5th, and this is our answer. The product of two polynomials is the sum of all results obtained by multiplying all the terms of one polynomial by each term of the other. So if we are going to apply that theorem in this example, we have here, we are asked to find the product of 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 and 3x squared minus 4. So that would be 3x squared minus 4x multiplied by 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. The theorem says here that the product of two polynomials is the sum of all the results obtained by multiplying all the terms of one polynomial by each term of the other. So meaning we are going to multiply this first term to all the terms here, and then the second term to all the terms here, and then take the sum of that. So we have here for the first term, so this is the 3x squared multiplied by this, so we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. And for the second term, that's negative 4x. So we have here negative 4x multiplied by this term here, and that's 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. So next thing that we are going to do is to distribute this. We apply the distributive property of multiplication over addition, and then here the same, we distribute that negative 4x to all the terms here. Now for the first term, so we have 3x squared times 2x squared, so that's 6x to the 4th, and negative and 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9, x squared times x, so just add the exponent, and that's x cubed. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, and that's x squared. And for this term, negative 4 times 2, so that's negative 8, x times x squared, that's x cubed. Negative 4 times negative 3, that's positive 12. X times x is x squared. We are just adding the exponent here. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. And that's x. The next thing that you are going to do is to combine like terms. So for x to the fourth, siya lang naman yung nag-iisa dyan. Then just copy that 6x to the fourth. For cube, so meron tayong dalawa. That's negative 9 and negative 8. So negative 9 plus negative 8 is negative 17. And that's x cubed. For x squared, we have here negative 12 and positive 12. So that's 0. And for x, of course, we just copy this x kasi wala naman siyang kasamang katulad yung x. That's 16x. And this is our answer. So, what if we are going to do the other way around? The other way around is, instead of distributing this binomial to this term, we are going to distribute this trinomial here. So, babalik na rin natin siya. And this would be 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 times 3x squared minus 4x. So, for the first term, that is 2x squared, multiply natin dito sa term na to. And that's 3x squared minus 4x. For the second term, that's negative 3x. Multiply natin siya dito. That's 3x squared minus 4x. And for the third term, we have here negative 4. So that's negative 4 times 3x squared minus 4x. So itong tatlong to ay minimultiply natin dito ng isa-isa. So here we have 2 times 3, that's 6. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. X squared times x is x cubed. Minus 3 times 3 is 9. And x times x squared is x cubed. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. X times x, that's x squared. Negative 4 times 3, that's negative 12, x squared. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, and that's x. Now, combine like terms, and for x to the fourth, so that's 6x to the fourth, and for x cubed, so that's negative 8 minus 9 plus negative 9, and that is equal to negative 17x cubed. For x squared, we have here positive 12. We have here positive 12 plus negative 12, and that's 0. And for the last term is positive 16. This is our answer. Another way of doing this is this one. We are just going to write this 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 here, and then this term dito sa baba, 3x squared minus 4x. And then ang gagawin natin ay i-multiply natin ito sa isa doon sa taas. So negative 4x times negative 4 is positive 16x. And then we have negative 4x times negative 3x is positive 12x squared. Negative 4x times 2x squared is negative 8x cubed. And ito naman yung i-multiply natin sa mga terms sa taas. So here, 3x squared times negative 4 is negative 12x squared. So nandito yung x squared, doon natin siya ililinya. And that's negative 12. 3x squared times negative 3x is negative 9x cubed. And this 3x squared times 2x squared, that's 6x to the 4th. So we have here 6x to the 4th. Negative 8 plus negative 9 is negative 17x cubed. Positive 12 plus negative 12 is 0. And this 16 here, so plus 16x. And this is our answer. Pareho lang yan sa sagot natin dito. Example number 3, multiply 2x squared plus xy minus 3y squared by x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. So we have here 2x squared plus xy minus 3y squared multiplied by x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. So, multiply lang naman natin ito isa-isa. So, for this first term here, we have 2x squared times x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. And for the second term here, so we have plus xy times x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. And for the third term, we have negative 3y squared. So we have here negative 3y squared times x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. So this is equal to, so ito naman, yung i-distribute natin isa-isa, is 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the 4th. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X squared times x is x cubed. And then you have here y. 2 times 1, that's 2. And you have here x squared and y squared. So for this, x times x squared is x cubed, y. Then we have here negative 3, x times x is x squared, y times y is y squared, is x, y times y squared is y cubed. And for this, you have negative 3, y squared times x squared, so that's x squared y squared. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. X, y squared times y is y cubed. And you have here negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Y squared times y squared is y to the 4th. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to combine like terms. So for x to the 4th, nag-iisa lang naman siya. So that's 2x to the 4th. And for x cubed, y, so meron siya kasama. 6, tapos x cubed y, so that's 1. So it's negative 5. So we have here minus 5x cubed y. Then for x squared y squared, so that's 2 minus 3, so that's negative 1. plus negative 3, that's negative 4. So we have here minus 4 x squared y squared. And for xy cube, we have here 1 plus 9 is 10. So that's plus 10 x y cube. And last term, so that's negative 3 y to the fourth. And this is our answer. So another way of solving this, yung pinakita ko kanina, that's x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. I-multiply natin dito. So that's 2x squared plus xy minus 3y squared. So kung yung tinuro ko kanina ay paatras galing sa dulo, so try naman natin simula dito papuntang kanan. So we have here 2 x squared times x squared, so that's 2x to the fourth. And this 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X squared times x is x cubed. And we have here y. Next, we have 2x squared times y squared, so that's plus 2x squared y squared. And for this term here, we have xy times x squared, so that's x cubed y. So nandito yung x cubed y, dito natin siya isusulat. And that's positive. And we have here xy times negative 3xy. So that's negative 3x squared y squared. So dito natin siya nilinya kasi pareho siyang x squared y squared. And xy times y squared, that's positive x y cubed. Okay, so proceed tayo dito sa pangatlo. That would be negative 3y squared times x squared, that's negative 3x squared y squared. And this negative 3y squared times negative 3xy, so negative 3 times negative 3, so that's positive 9. xy times y squared is xy cubed. And for the last term, we have here negative 3y squared times y squared is negative 3y to the fourth. So next na gagawin natin ay i-add natin siya. So we would have here 2x to the fourth. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. X cubed y. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Plus negative 3 is negative 4. X squared, y squared. 1 plus 9 is 10. That's 10x y cubed. And last term, that's negative 3 y to the fourth. And this is our answer. It's just the same with our answer kanina.